Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys this beautiful and delicious dessert, how to make a fudgy brownie cheesecake recipe. This is super delicious, super fudgy, and this cheesecake on top is to die for. Before I go ahead and start, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe below. I have 2 videos every week. To start off here, I have 1 cup of butter. I have a soft butter room temperature. To this I'm going to add 1 1/3 of a cup semi-sweet chocolate chip. And if you have a chocolate bar, you can cut them and add them. Now I'm going to heat this on a stove top on a low heat, and then once it is melted, I'm going to transfer this into a big bowl because we're going to mix everything here. To this I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup cocoa powder, half a teaspoon salt, and just give it a quick mix to combine them together with the chocolate mix. Now I'm using a Dutch processed cocoa powder, so you can use any cocoa powder you want. To this I've added half a cup of white sugar and half a cup of brown sugar and 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, and here I have 2 eggs and 1 egg yolk. It has to be a room temperature, and then I'm going to whisk it nicely until it's all well incorporated. To this I've added 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Just make sure you measure them right. If you have a scale, then it's better. And then once you mix them all well, I'm going to reserve half a cup of this brownie mixture separately. Here I'm using 8x8 pan. You can use 9x9 for sure. And put the brownie mixture and level it up and keep it aside. Now we're going to make the cream cheese. Here I have 16 ounces of cream cheese. To this I mixed them until it's soft. To this I've added half a cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Go ahead and mix them until it's nice and soft, and also make sure in between you scrape them down. And then once that is done, add that onto the brownie mixture. Here I have the reserved brownie mixture. To this I've added 1 tablespoon really hot water, and now we are going to add this into the on top of the cheesecake randomly. And then with the skewer, just go ahead and make any pattern. And now we are going to bake this at 350 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes depending on the oven temperature. And that brownie is to die for. This is super delicious. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe below, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye.